Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do my version of McDonald's sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. Now for a period of time when the pandemic started, they took this off the menu for the breakfast items, and I liked it because this is something I could get when I didn't want a McGriddle or I didn't want an Egg McMuffin. So I like the bagel option, but I think it's back on there now, but this is my version of it. And you know, when you make it at home, it's always better, and you know exactly where the ingredients came from. But hey guys, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the sausage, egg, and cheese bagel. So the supporting cast, it tells you right in the title exactly what it is. It's very simple. So we got my sausage. I'm just using some Bob Evans original breakfast sausage, pork sausage, of course. I got 2 eggs. I'm just using 1 per sandwich. I got some of this nice American processed cheese. Let's just call it processed cheese. I got some bagels. I just bought these from the store. These are Linder's bagels. You can buy whatever you want to. And I got some butter, salt and pepper to taste. You know how I get down, pink Himalayan, fresh cracked black pepper. And then I got this little mold, which I'm going to use to cook my egg in, just to keep it round, size of the bagel type of thing. Very simple, nothing too extravagant. But hey, and I'm doing this on a Steelmadeusa griddle. You don't have to have that, but if you want it, I'll tell you how to get it here in just a second later on in the video. But hey guys, that's all the ingredients. Let's get started putting this together. First things first, I'm going to get my sausage on. Now I cut my sausage a little thicker than I normally would, so I can get it smashed out to the size of the bagel, or close to the size. So we're going to put those 2 on. And right away I'm going to put my bagel over here on the other side of the griddle. Let it get toasted up and warm. I just put some butter down on the griddle. And we're just going to place these face down on a very low heat, just to get them toasted up nicely. So we're going to let this sausage cook off, then I'll cook my egg and show you how we put it together. It's a nice, quick, easy breakfast. Nothing too extravagant. Now, the Steelmadeusa griddle. If you want one of these, very simple to get. I love this thing. It stays on my stove probably 80%, 70% of the time. I don't take it off too often. But it turns your stove top into a flat top in a matter of seconds. You can cook anything on it. You can use pots and pans on it. And if you go back and watch some of my videos, you can see all the stuff that I've cooked on it. It's great. I love it. If you want one, all you have to do is click on the link in my description below, and it'll take you over to their website. You use Big Tone 5 as your product code, and it'll give you that 10% off of whatever you purchase on the website. And just tell them Big Tone sent you. It'll get you that 10% off, I promise. But hey guys, let's let this cook up, and we'll piece this together. As you can see, I got some hash browns on here as well. I'm making mine into a McDonald's combo, or Big Tone's combo, let's call it that. Alright, so you can see my sausage is cooked up. I flipped it over. It's nice on both sides. So I'm going to move this to the middle of the stove. On the griddle, you have a hot spot, of course, where the eyes are, and then you have the middle section, which is, it is hot, but it's not as hot as where the eyes are, obviously. So I just move everything to the middle, just to keep it warm. That's what I love about this. You can just move it to the middle, and we're gonna get started on my egg here. So I got 1 egg beaten up, whatever. I got 1 egg beaten. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter here to the griddle. And like I said, I have this fancy dancy little ring here, but you don't need that ring. You can use the top of a mason jar if you want to keep it in a nice circle or whatever. But make sure you butter or you spray some non-stick spray on the inside of that. And I'm gonna pour my egg. I got 1 egg here, just beaten. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. You know how I get down, pink Himalayan sea salt. And some fresh cracked black pepper. Just like that, you know I like pepper. There we go. And I got my bagel over here toasted up. I'm gonna move that to the middle because it's nice and warm and toasted, as you can see. Alright, so once the egg starts to set up a little bit, you can take the mold off of it if you want. Just flip it over. And we got a halfway decent cooked egg there. And I'm going to put my sausage back here. Move my egg over just a little bit. I'm going to put my sausage patties here. And I'm going to stack them, because I'm putting 2 on a sandwich. They're not big enough for 1. If I'm putting 2 on a sandwich, I'm going to melt this little bit of cheese over top of it. Cover it up a little bit so it can steam. A little bit of water around it. It steams a little bit better. Melt that cheese up. We're going to piece this together, guys. I'll get you a final presentation here in just a second. Look at that, guys. Better than McDonald's. You know where everything came from. And you made it. It's always better than home. Boy, I can't wait to get my mouth on this. You know I'm waiting for that bite. So I left it open face so you can see it. Just going to place the other bagel on top. Ooh, look at that. Orange juice, hash brown on the side. A quarter of the cost of what McDonald's is charging, and it tastes way better. Alright guys, let me get that bite for you. Sausage, egg, and cheese bagel, way better than McDonald's, and I'm gonna get that bite, guys. Ooh. Oh man. Big Tone is killing McDonald's. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, guys. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.